Welcome, here I've got Realme C25Y and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode with back camera, so we have to change it to front one because mirror effect works only when we want to take a selfie. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So here we are. Now let's move up to right corner button to open camera settings. And here we have to slide down to find mirror reflection option. Now by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.